Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are from group 3. We are about to describe or presentate 3 videos about procedure text. These group members are Muhammad Kurnia Ramadhan, Muhammad Reezidane Faqih, Pirda Mela Angguina, and Tanzillal Alka. So, without any further ado, the first video is about to be delivered by Alka.
Thank you, Bang Angguina. And then the first video is the show how to borrow ebooks and more with the Ohio Digital Library. The first is you show how to visit the website, and then the speakers explain about the website Ohio Digital Library, and then it's how it's spelled but how to log in to Ohio Digital Library. And then it's explained how to search book in digital library and how to borrow books, and then function every part in the website, and then how to return title or books. Maybe it is from video 1. You can continue.
Thank you very much, Alka. And then the next video will be presented by Pirda. Pirda, are you with us?
The second video will be delivered by Rama.
Oh yeah, I'm so sorry. The second video will be delivered by Rama.
Okay, thank you, Bang Ezi. The second one is how to get a university scholarship to study in the UK. There are two things, which is the first one, there are a few types of university scholarship in the UK that is based on educational excellence, based on the country you are from, based on the school you are currently studying at, sorry, uh, course specific, and the last is based on sport achievement. The next is step to obtaining scholarship, which is the first step is research. This is the most important step if scholarship and funding support are very important to you. The second step is that you have to apply to the university. So undergraduate student, you have prepared a very strong application, because it's not only your value that will be considered, your personal statement will too. The third step is to apply for scholarship. Once you get an over, that's when scholarship applications come in. It is highly recommended to email the university to find out what are the recruitment for the scholarship application. And the last is the fourth step is to wait for extraordinary news and hope for the best. If you put forth the best effort into your grades and application, you will get something. Make sure you plan, prepare, do your research, and be patient. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Rama. And then the last one is to be delivered by Pirda.
Okay, thank you. Okay, the third one is how to apply for student visa to the US. How to apply for a student visa to the US. We need three option. This is what you need, optional, and step. So the first one, you will need a list of schools. So the second one, I I-24 F1 student visa application. So U.S. consulate or embassy, and the last one is form I-539. This is uh, you need to apply with visa for US. So the next one, you have a computer with internet access. This is for optional. When you upload all the need of the data for you apply, then we have a steps. This is the steps one. Select the school you would like to attend and start the admission process as early as possible before applying for your student visa. The second one, wait for the school to accept you, at which time they will issue you, the student, and an I-20 form so you can get your student visa. The third one, obtain and fill out the F1 student visa applications, and be sure to read and understand and the rule and expectations upon entering the country. The student visa applications can be found online and at any U.S. consulate or embassy. The next one is visit U.S. consulate or embassy with both the I-20 form and F, F1 student visa applications to start the approval process. Application receive 120 days or more prior to the class start date will be held until 120 days before the start date to be processed. The next one is obtain from I-539 form from US consulate or embassy if you are already in the country and want to change your status to a foreign student. You will need your I-20 form and to pay a fee. So the last steps is move the US no sooner than 30 days before the first classes date. Once you are here, get your study on and make your family and country proud. This is the step of how to apply visa in US. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Pirda, Rama, and Alka, about the points you've been emphasized in the video we've been discussed before. It is seemed that all the points or all the steps that has been made are very interesting because it is so usual to found procedure text and flows, but here are the procedure text and the educational things in educational background of videos and how to get into the study abroad things. And the very beautiful thing about what we've been discussing before is that we emphasized different things. From the first video, it seems that too little to get from the video because it's just about how to borrow books. And then the second video about how to get a university scholarship to study in the UK, it seemed that It is like something in the Indomie or in the label that we usually see, because few types of university and scholarships written right there is just like ingredients in the product label. And then the last one about the visa to the US. It's about the things that we need to be concerned when we want to get scholarship or to be a student in the US. And that's all from this group. Each of the thing has its own aim, and we can see that the more formal it gets, the more details